Okay, it's wet and horrible outside, and I think it's about time we started ticking off some of those house jobs. Right, before Christmas, we had this floating shelf. It was supported by L brackets, which were then filled over the top. Christmas came, we put the Christmas tree in the corner of the room here, and the shelf had to come out. It has, though, left these holes in the wall. We need to get those filled over and give it a touch up with paint. When I took the filler out, it's tore some of the dry lining paper. There's also evidence of the cork that used to be here. So just to get a good adhesion with the filler, I think what we're going to do is with a Stanley knife, we're going to try and score some of these edges, give it a nice key to bind to, and yeah, hopefully that will tidy this right up. I'm now in my youngest's bedroom, kind of the nursery of the house. He had 3 shelves. However, Sam decided that the bottom shelf was good for a ladder. Now, after the 3rd time of repairing and then reattaching the shelf, I think it's best we just fill these holes in and make good with it. This hole here was quite a big one. I think it's going to take more than one fill. It's more than about 5 mil deep. So I filled what I can, we'll let it dry, and then we'll come back, give it a sand, and then give it another touch over with filler. I always use this powdered filler because it gives you the option of making it to certain consistencies. Ideally, you're looking for a peanut butter kind of consistency, but you can make it thinner, almost like to, act in the way of like a plaster. Give a really thin coat over the top, sand it back. Now, one thing to always remember is the more you put on, the more you're going to have to sand off. So be sparing, take your time, and little by little. Okay, we've got another picture to put up in the downstairs toilet here. Now, ordinarily we'd either nail or screw and plug. However, when I built this downstairs toilet, I knew I used plywood walls here, and then we plastered on the top, so I know I've got a good surface to screw into. I'm just going to do a screw here, and I've got a nice coastal print to put up on the wall. So I think about there. We're now in the upstairs bathroom. This bathroom used to go another room deep. However, a wall has been put up, and once again, I know it's a ply wall. We've got plenty of meat to screw into, and we've got 3 pictures to put on the wall. Just over there, I've set up the laser level, which gives me a really good idea of where the central part of where we want our first picture to go is, and then we can also mark off for the other 2 photos. So I'm going to mark off 300 either side, and that should give me good spacings for my 3 pictures. So I'll grab some screws, I'll grab my impact driver, and we'll bash these ones in. We're back in Sam's room again. We were here a couple of videos ago. We're installing the neon lights under his bed. We're looking at furniture today. Now, he has this cube system. Toby's becoming more mobile, and we've got to make sure it's super strong. These came as 3 different units, and we have since screwed them together. We've also screwed them to the wall. They're nice and strong. But a new piece of furniture he's got is this bookcase. Now, just like in Toby's room there, you know, these are very inviting to become like a ladder. So what I think we can do, we've got a bit of 12mm MDF at the back of the bookcase here. When I was installing this socket here, I took a sort of a mental note of where the first stud was, and it was about 400 in. So I think we'll take the books off, we will install it, only needs to do 1 screw, but we'll install a screw, and then hopefully that should make it nice and rigid to the wall. And there we go. That bookcase isn't going anywhere. Now, it's been a bit of a short video today, just a few odd jobs around the house. When it's pouring rain outside, you don't want to be in the shed, even though the log burner makes it so much warmer now. Always remember to like and subscribe. Have a good day.